Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am excited to be unboxing JewlyBox. JewlyBox is a jewelry subscription box. They describe themselves as an Ipsy for jewelry, which is pretty cool. They have a customized questionnaire style quiz, however you want to say it, that allows them to get to know you and your likes and dislikes. And it ships on the 4th of every month. So, I am unboxing my March box for you all. Let's see what's inside. So this is what we see. Ooh. It's a party in the box. Cute, cute, cute. Great box. It's a little bit like the Rocks box, which is a box I love. Here, I'll turn it like this so we can... Ooh. So on top it says, "Hey Samantha, welcome to JewlyBox. I read your profile and I'm so excited to style you this month. Based on what you mentioned in your quiz, it's clear you love simple and feminine jewelry and definitely appreciate creating the perfect outfit with your jewelry. This month we've styled you with some super fun pieces while maintaining simplicity. Enjoy your looks, Katie, your stylist." And then on the other side, I don't know if you guys can see this with the glare, it breaks out the items inside. I'm not looking at that because I want it to be a surprise what's inside. So they have a little curated note, a lot like Stitch Fix and all of them do, which is always fun. Here's what's under the tissue. So in bag number 1, which has their little name on it, these are super soft. And which, by the way, she got me dead on. I like simple and easy because I kind of wear some of the same pieces. Oh, that's beautiful. Love this look. Let's see if I can slip it over my big old head. Or maybe just... That is gorgeous. Very pretty. And simple and gold, like I like it. What's number 2? Oh, it's a bracelet. Can you guys see? So, got a little stretch to it. It's kind of got some funk to it. I love it. I really, really love that piece. These are great together. So far my box matches or coordinates, whatever word you want to use, which is nice. And then my third item, ooh, is a pretty good looking Kendra Scott knockoff in my personal opinion. Oh, can y'all totally see my cat cruising by? Hey, Max. So let's try these on real quick. And in my signature color, pink. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're light and they feel great too. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, in my opinion, this is a phenomenal, phenomenal deal. For these earrings alone, in my opinion, would be an excellent deal, not to mention the necklace and the bracelet on top. What I'm interested in testing now is sometimes when I get this jewelry that is, you know, it's our kind of a cheaper, trendy piece that you can wear for 6 months and then you kind of get rid of it. They fall apart. And I like it to last 3 to 6 months when I'm making these kind of investments and then realize I need to move on from it. So that's basically what I'll do from here. I'm going to wear it and try it, see if I have any skin irritations, if it wears well. Everything feels good. Nothing feels cheap. And I've done a lot of jewelry unboxing. So I am super impressed with JewlyBox. JewlyBox, this is phenomenal. Thank you so much. We have more coming y'all's way soon. Bye, y'all.